Good morning, 10th Standard English Medium, GT Sheikh Vidyalay. Very warmful welcome again in our video lecture series. Today we are talking about Sanskrit. In last video lecture, we are talking in Sanskrit lesson number 8, Sakshi Bhuta Manushya. So now today I finished the last portion about the lesson number 8, Sakshi Bhuta Manushya, a man, a witness. So now on page number 36, it's a very interesting lesson. Why? Because it's in dialogue form. It is prose writing, and Puneet and Sunit both are friends, and they both are discussing about the accident, and they both are discussing about what is the human being's duty on the as a victim at the place about the accident. So now guys, on page number 36, Puneet, Dvitiya karyam tu kartavyam nirvaha. Second work is like that. Durghatnagrast janena sadya eva aushadhalayashita karaniyam bhavati. We must be carried, the person who is affected to accident, we must be carried to clinic, aushadhalay, clinic at hospital. येन तस्य उचित उपचार स्यात्, and then there is the they wants the treatment, proper treatment, and then after tatra sangatya कदाचित् तस्मै रक्तस्य आवश्यकता भवति च इत स्वकीयं रक्तमपि तस्मै दातव्यं भवति. If he want to in emergency the blood for the survival of life, we must be we must be move the blood donation, we must be give the our blood also. तस्य परिवारे सूचना दातव्या भवति येन तस्य परिवारजनः औषधालयम् आगत्य तस्य विशेष सहायं भवेत्. And then after call to his family members, and then family member will come at the hospital, and then after we support him, we support them. दुर्घटनाया साक्षिण मनुष्य एतादृशं कर्तव्यम्. So now a man, a witness, is doing like this type of work. It is the kartavya, means it's on duty. It's a kartavya. Kartavya means duty. सर्वे मनुष्य अस्य कर्तव्यस्य निर्वाहं करणीयम् एव. We must be doing like this type of duty. All human beings doing like this type of duty. It's very nicely. It's very acceptable thing from him. Sunita, तृतीय कार्यं किम् अस्ति? What is the third work? यद् घटनायाः साक्षी मनुष्य आचरेत्. If the witness of the accident, what is the third duty about the human? Punita, तृतीय कार्यम् अस्ति बोध प्राप्ति. The third work is like we must be learn the lesson about this situation. मनुष्येण सदैव बोध प्राप्ति प्रयत्न करणीयो भवति. We should always to take a message about the any kind of the things, any kind of the circumstances. यदा वयं कस्याश्चित् दुर्घटनाया साक्षिणः भवाम तदा कर्तव्यं समाचरन् दुःखम् अनुभवन्त तस्या दुर्घटनाया कञ्चित् बोधमपि प्राप्तुम् अर्हामः. If we are witness about some accident event or accident things on the roadside or at the other place, we must be first we must be doing our humanist duty. We behave like a human, and then after we must be feel the sorrow from affected person. We must be feel a pain from them, and then after dukkham anubhavanti tasya durghatnaya kaschit bodh prapti, means we should be learn from them. We should be take from message from them. Vina karana durghatna na bhavati. Without the reason there is no happened accident in any kind of situation. तत्र कस्यचित् जनस्य त्रुटि कारणं भवति. So the reason is like that some wrong things from the person, some mistake from the person. सा त्रुटि ज्ञातव्या. We must be knowing about that त्रुटि, means we must be knowing about that the limitation, reason, and तदनन्तरं तादृशी त्रुटिमहं न कदापि करिष्यति बोध प्राप्तव्यः एव. And then after we learn lesson like that, we can't do this type of mistake in any how condition like that. So now sunitah sadhu kathitam bhavata. Really you see, very good. घटनाया साक्षिणं सन्त कर्तव्यं निर्वहन्तोपि दुःखम् अनुभवन्तोपि यदि वयं बोधपाठं न प्राप्तं तदा वयं मनुष्या न स्मः. We must be doing our duties very nicely, very kindly. Why? Because we are human being. We must be feel the pain. We must be experience the pain for victim person, for the affected person about the accident, and we must be take the both part. We must be take the message from this accident. Then we call like that human being. Tada vayam manushyaha. Otherwise, we can't do this type of things. We are not human being. We are just like a stone. We are just like a animal. We are just like a bird. Why? Because the human being is a different kind of the other living being. Why? Because we are very intelligent human personality. We are very intelligent living things. So we think about that, we learn about that, we doing our duty nicely, and then after we take a message from each and every kind of things. So now guys, it's a very easy lesson. Now you must be write the translation for yourself with the help of the glossary. It is very easy for you. So now I am discussing about the exercise on page number 37. There is the MCQs. So now this is the cross lesson, so you can do MCQs yourself. It's very easy for you. Then after, when we page number 38, there is the ekvakyena Sanskrit bhashayam uttarah. So okay, now guys, after 7 lessons, now you are very much comfortable about Sanskrit question and Sanskrit answer. So I hope so you can do your self very nicely, very well. And then after there is the okay guys, last sentence, this is tada vayam manushya na smah. It is use of smah. When I discussing about the grammar part of grammar use of smah, I discussing about the more detail from the smah prayoga. So this lesson is also example about the smah. Then after रेखांकित पदानां समास प्रकार लिखत. रेखांकित पदानां स्थाने क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. रेखांकित पदानां स्थाने प्रकोष्ठात् उचितं पदं चित्वा पृष्ठवाक्यं रचयतु. You can do yourself very nicely. Question number 6. It's very easy for you. And then after question number 7, प्रदत्त पदानि प्रयुज्य वाक्यानि रचयतु. You must be create the Sanskrit sentence with the help of the Sanskrit word which is given in the brackets. And then after निम्नलिखितानां प्रश्नानां उत्तराणि आङ्ग्लभाषायां लिखत. It's very easy for you. So now guys, sometimes the short note like that, the witness about the accident, this type of short note asking in the question paper. So in the criteria about the short note, in the criteria about the English question answer, as well as the Sanskrit question answer, as well as the question answer form, all kind of that, this lesson is very important for you. So you must be read very carefully lesson number 8, and you must be prepare question answer for yourself. It's very easy for you, so I hope so. I trust on you. You can do very easily about that. And today I give the lesson about the Sanskrit chapter number 8 question answer as a homework. You should be give me this homework at the Monday. Okay guys. So now after next week we are going to lesson number 9, Chakshumana Andhaiva. So guys, I hope so you are very safe and very carefully at your home. You must be take rest at your home. You must be safe at your home. Take care yourself, and goodbye. Have a nice day.